My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright guys, we are going to be using a palette that I have re-fallen in love with, and it's the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. Now when this palette first came out, like back in the day, it was when I was really first starting to get into makeup and like falling in love with it, and I loved the Too Faced palettes because they gave you the like information and look cards inside, and I would like recreate every look that it had in there. And yeah, I just have a lot of really good memories with this palette, and I also haven't done an all matte look in like years, so I figured that's what we do today. I'm sweating from dealing with this lens issue. I don't know hardly anything about photography and cameras. Like I'm priming my eyes with this CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and this is the second lens I bought. I was trying to find like a zoom lens so I could get in a little bit closer for tutorials, but the first one I ordered wasn't the right thing, and then so the second one I bought was definitely a zoom lens, but I think it was more for like pictures, because when I would move it would get blurry and I was having a hard time auto-focusing. So you don't know how many camera lenses and products I've bought and then had to return because I don't know anything about it. Alright, so you can use concealer or an eye primer, whatever you choose. So now if you're really fair, you can go in with the color I'm going to go in with. If you're not, I would just skip to the second color, or maybe you could use the second color as your transition and then one of these shades up here is the second color. I'll talk about that when I get to it. So I'm going to take this Jorphe, that's what I should just call it. It's the Jaclyn and Morphe brush. It's the Jorphe JH 30, and I'm gonna go in with Lace Teddy, which is this light peach. But like I said, if you have a darker skin than me, which doesn't take much, then you can go in with Au Naturel as your transition. And I'm just gonna put that from inner to outer corner. Oh my god, I feel so bad. So I had a nerve ablation on Tuesday, and like it was, the recovery this time seemed a lot harder and a lot more painful than usual. So it's Sunday now, so I have like basically been in bed from Tuesday afternoon until today. And I like, when I'm like that, trying to recover and in so much pain, like I don't even look at my phone because it gives me anxiety, and like just the pain draws so much of my energy that like I don't have the energy to talk to anyone or to, you know, do anything really. And I forgot to schedule some videos to upload, so I apologize guys if I know I was like MIA for a week. But that is why. And one of my managers from work, they've been so super nice to me, and they had texted me the day after, Wednesday, like, how was your procedure? And I didn't see it until today, and I feel horrible. Like, they were nice enough to text that, and then I don't know, I feel really bad. But it's like, I wasn't like I was ignoring them. Like, I just kind of isolate myself when I'm in so much pain and like trying to recover from a procedure like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Au Naturel, and if you're darker, you can go in with maybe like Less is More or Sexpert instead, if you use that Au Naturel as a transition shade. And this is some Farrah double-ended brush, and it's a very like tapered, kind of precise brush. We're just going to put this tightly in our crease. And then we'll go back in with that Jorphe 30. I love it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with, this is a Morphe M433, and I'm going to go in with Hookup. If you want to use a darker color, you can go in with like Sexpert or Risky Biz. And I'm going to put that in the outer third of my eye. Oh my god, and these colors, these shadows smell so amazing. Oh my god, they smell just like chocolate. Like, it's addictive. You know how people always say like, oh, you need to get your beauty sleep? Like, okay, I sleep so much. If it was really beauty sleep, I would look like I was 14. But I don't. It's like the more I sleep, the older I look. I'm just so tired all the time. So now I'm going to go in with the lid shade, and I'm going to use Heaven. This is actually going to be our lid shade and our highlight shade. If you're darker than me, you could use Nude Goals or Lace Teddy. Oh, I just got that all over. That was messy application, Natalie. I thought I was like starting to feel better, but I mean I am. I'm just still starting, like I always, even though the nerve ablations help, like I'm still in pain even though that nerve pain's gone, which kind of makes it like debilitating. It's bearable now, but it's like it's still there. A lot of people think that just because I got my nerve ablation that like I'm out of pain now, but that's not true. Oh my god, I'm so this is like all I talk about is my pain. I'm so sorry guys. It's just what consumes my life so much, and it's hard for me not to talk about it because of that. Okay, I'm sorry. Now I'm taking Risky Biz, which is this really dark brown here, and putting that in my outer corner. So I actually just put like a small band of that Benefit liner on. I'm going to curl my lashes. Then I'm going to put mascara on and then finish the rest of my makeup. I'm going to use this Sephora LASHCRAFT Big Volume Mascara. This is a really good mascara from Sephora. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and I'll come back and we will do a lip. Ooh, the lip color I got is so good. Okay, right. So for a blush, I went with kind of a corally blush, and the lip, I wanted to go nude, and also because I did a matte eye, I wanted, like, usually if I do a really crazy eye, I try to tone the outfit down a bit, but because I did like a matte kind of simple glam eye, I felt I could wear more like crazy outfit, like this tie-dye outfit. But I did want to do a nude lip with it as well, so I used this Appeal gel liner, and I don't know, to line my lips. And then I just got this Artist Couture, what's it called? Silk Cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Angel Baby. I love that. It makes me think of like No Doubt. And this is like the most beautiful, like neutral nude lip. So I'm gonna highlight the inner corner real quick with what I used as a regular highlight on my face, and I just got it and I'm obsessed with it. It is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Gold Digger. So we're just gonna highlight the inner corner with this. It's a beautiful, like, metallic light gold. Okay, and then I feel like I'm missing something. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, tell you what lashes I used. I used these Sephora collection Lash Stories lashes in Cheers. Like, usually the Sephora collection products are hit or miss for me. Either they're awesome or they're horrible. But this Lash Stories collection is amazing. I have like almost every single one of them. So yeah. Alright, this is the completed look, and I am really loving it. Like, I never do matte eyes, but I think there's just something so like classy and just feminine about it, and I like, whenever I do them, I remember how much I truly love them. Yes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.